Oh, hi. So today we're doing another makeup made simple.
MMS.
Geraldine is not a new face. Y'all been seeing her. I, as a makeup artist, it's hard for me to teach another person how to do eyelashes.
And I don't know how to put on eyelashes. In fact, it's the one thing with the makeup thing that I don't ever do, ever. I will beat my whole face, like, then not put on eyelashes, you know.
Because I want to see how she does by herself.
I just want to also mention that my real limitation with putting on eyelashes is that I can't see. Yeah, y'all see these glasses? Okay. Can't see it no more.
Alright, so let's get you a mirror. I have to clean these a little bit. We're gonna give her a nice mirror, you know.
I need a magnifying mirror.
Oh god. I never like those things. They always made me feel weird. I don't know how to explain.
They're for people like me that can't see.
Oh, but are you short-sighted or long-sighted?
I'm far-sighted. I can see far away.
That's why I'm short-sighted.
I can't really. But like, okay, is this a stupid question?
What?
Do you put it like right on this?
On the band, yeah.
Okay, I need my glasses for that.
Okay.
So I can see the band. And then like, how much lash glue do you need? These are serious questions.
No, not me to do that. But it's okay. When you squirt it out like that, you can just smear it over the lash. Okay, good. Make sure especially at the outer corners.
Okay.
Because the outer corners. Okay, cool.
Okay.
Perfect.
Don't blow on your eyelashes because it's unsanitary. You're gonna spit on your eyeballs and that's nasty. Another question, how do you know which lash goes on which eye?
Depending on the type of lashes you get, if you get these like cat eye ones that I'm using, the cat eye ones, the front is shorter than the back. Camera, come on.
I'm quite.
So I'm gonna use a regular tweezer and put the lash on the tweezer like these.
So this one is for my right eye.
Exactly, because look at you.
Because it like.
No, look down. Go down first.
Am I not doing that?
Put it down. Okay. Exactly. No. Did you not put it down?
No. I feel like I'm.
Okay, hold on. Take it out.
I don't think the glue is.
Yeah, the glue is not dry yet, so we'll wait for. Geraldine's like, Jesus.
I'm stressed, y'all. I'm stressed.
I've been using Duo for so long that I know how long it takes to dry. So you just have to stick to like one type of lash glue. So look down and place it on top of your eyelashes. No. That way you were doing it was perfect. Like exactly there. Place down.
It's like sticking, but I feel like that's the problem.
The tweezer was
sticking to it.
Which makes sense.
Off.
So in the middle right there, perfect. As close to.
I'm trying. Middle. Hard.
You can even use your hand. It doesn't matter.
Okay.
So then shift the bottom, and then do the front. Jordan, why did you make it seem like you couldn't do this thing when you're literally doing it?
Cause it's not on.
Push it. No, don't press it.
Okay, just push.
Push, like right like that.
Okay. Let me do it. So you're gonna do the other eye.
Sorry. Okay, yeah, sorry.
It's makeup made simple. The learner has to learn.
This, you're right. Okay. Good job.
Did I do it?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. So now, but like you see how like it's not all the way on like this side, for example?
So
how do I fix that?
While it's still like wet, you can do whatever you want. You know what I mean? When you first put it on.
Oh look, I fixed it.
Yeah, there we go. It's the glue. Don't buy any other
Y'all
glue.
are not ready. I'm gonna look right into the camera and say this. Y'all are not ready for me to have a full beat with some with some lashes. Stop it.
You did that. And it was easy. You actually.
Makeup made simple.
Step 1 is being completed. Good job. Okay. Come on, I'll focus here. Okay. Yeah, we got it. Oh. Come on now. Oh. See.
Don't let it dry out.
See, you're already learning. You got a foot. You could do this.
Not a foot. I'm telling y'all, I feel like when people be like, you got a PhD, you know how to do things. I don't. I know how to do science. Ask me about some cells, okay?
Right.
Ask
like,
me
these
about
lashes,
some cells.
that's not it.
Okay. Honestly, I'm gonna just use a timer when I do this at home.
But
so I don't have to.
Well, okay, yeah.
Be like, so I don't have to be predicting.
Yes,
and stuff.
45 seconds is a good time.
Okay.
45 seconds, maybe 1 minute, depending on the glue. But I think with this glue, 45 seconds, the thing will dry out.
Okay.
All right. Do you find it easier with your hands or a tweezer? Because if you find it easier with your hands, you might as well just use your hands.
Let's keep trying to use my hands.
Oh, now you're not even putting it in the...
Okay, yo.
It's the placement.
Oh, placement.
You have to know it's up. It's diagonally this way. Do you get what I mean? Not just straight. You have to, yeah, exactly.
Oh, why is this one so much harder? I'm struggling.
No, you're okay. Sometimes you struggle to learn. Okay, now it did. Okay.
Almost there.
Almost there, yeah. Sometimes you have to, you know, if it was a special event and you wanted to wear lashes, you should be able to like have the option. You know what I mean?
Yeah. And I definitely.
And these lashes are from Amazon. The whole pack of this is $8.99.
I don't be giving myself the option because I'd be like too stressed out and I'd be like,
but didn't you see how you look though?
I know. I'd be just like, oh, this is gonna take me literally 30 minutes to just do lashes.
You know what you're also doing wrong?
What am I doing wrong?
You need to push the inner first before the outer. Because the inner, if it dries, the inner is more important than the outer. The outer is irritating when it's out. That's also why it's simpler. Okay, let me show you this.
I did it.
It's also let me cut the lashes. Cut it at the longer part. Make sure that the end of your eye gets more lash than the inner corner. Okay. Because with your eye shape, you don't want to overpower your inner corner. Okay. I'm doing great, sweetie. Good job. Okay, and then the inner corner. Push.
It's like I feel like I need the tweezers.
Yeah. The tweezers help to push. Wearing mascara helps because the mascara also acts like a little bit of like a glue. So when you put the skill, you can put on lashes now. Okay, and
period.
And did. See?
And does.
And didn't even do anything.
So it is also cool because it's like this is like longer, a little bit more dramatic because you didn't cut it, and this is a little bit like. You get what I'm saying, people? So go ahead, you know, experiment with the different lashes or whatever. See my wig?
You can do it. I believe in you. If you have any questions, comments or concerns, leave them in the comment section so that I can answer.
If I can do it, anybody can.
Too. And this has been another episode of MMS.
Makeup Made Simple.
Dee-dee-dee.
Until next time.